Tron meme coins are absolutely exploding. There are massive gains to be made over on Tron right now. A lot of money is rotating from Solana meme coins, from Base, from Ethereum over to Tron. Now Tron might seem very random. What's the reason for all of this? Basically, Justin Sun, the founder of Tron, launched a $10 million initiative program, basically rewarding developers to launch meme coins on Tron. Obviously, when a lot of developers start launching meme coins over on Tron, a lot of regular people and traders also follow the developers. So now volume has absolutely exploded for Tron meme coins. Justin Sun and the Tron team even launched their own pump fun version over on the Tron blockchain called pump.meme, basically just the same as Pump Fun, making it super easy for anyone to launch meme coins over on Tron. And it's been a while since we've seen meme coins go this bananas. Basically, SunDog, which is right now the biggest meme coin on Tron, launched 4 days ago and is already at $170 million market cap. And you can see that it has pretty much been up only. You have FOFAR, which is another one of the biggest meme coins on Tron right now, also just been up only for the last few days at $25 million market cap. So there's so many massive opportunities over on Tron right now, and if you get in early, there is potential for you to make a lot of money. So today I'm going to cover everything you need to know about trading meme coins on Tron. What wallet do you need? How do you get money there? What other platforms are good to know about? So if you enjoy the content, make sure to smash a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like it. But basically, to start off with trading meme coins over on Tron, you need a wallet. The wallet most people are using, and the one I'm using, the biggest wallet on Tron, is Tron Link. So if you go to the Tron Link website, you can download it on iOS or Android, as well as a Chrome extension on your PC or Mac. So that's what I've done. Obviously, I have my Tron Link wallet installed. I transferred some money over to Tron. The way to get some TRX tokens or Tron tokens onto your Tron Link wallet on the Tron blockchain is either you need to withdraw it from an exchange. You can obviously buy Tron on an exchange and withdraw it on the Tron network, or what I've personally done is use a bridge like Change Now. I basically just bridged Solana over to Tron. Change Now is the platform I use when bridging cryptocurrency across different blockchains. It's very straightforward. For example, if you want to bridge 3 Solana, you get almost 3,000 TRX tokens. You just click exchange. You need to add your Tron wallet that you want to receive these tokens on. You click confirm, and then you see a Solana wallet. You need to deposit the 3 Solana into that wallet. Then it might take 10-15 minutes, and then you will receive your TRX tokens. So that's the wallet setup and how to actually get some TRX tokens onto your wallet to get started with trading tokens. When it comes to looking at different charts, DEX Tools is the place to be because DEX Tools actually have the Tron network. I think they recently added it, but DEX Screener does not yet have the Tron network added on their platform. So therefore you have to use DEX Tools. DEX Tools is normally what I use anyway, so I am absolutely not complaining. But if you click on the Tron network up here, you only get Tron tokens up in trending, and you can search for any Tron tokens. Obviously, I'm sure you're familiar with DEX Tools. You can see market cap, volume, holders, you get some security score, you get all the recent transactions, etc. Very straightforward. In terms of where to actually swap tokens, instead of, for example, Uniswap on Ethereum or Jupiter on Solana, they have SunSwap. Basically, Sun.io, that platform is your go-to platform for basically anything on the Tron network. If you go to SunSwap, you have the V3 version. A lot of tokens are not yet listed on V3, or they don't have liquidity on V3, so you might need to use V2. Basically, just type in the amount of Tron you want to buy and then add the token address. For example, you have Soon right here, so I can buy Soon with 600 Tron. That gets me 67,000 Soon tokens, and just click swap, and that's basically it, just like swapping tokens on any other blockchain. Now, if you want to trade low cap meme coins over on Tron, I would certainly recommend you to increase the slippage, because the standard slippage is 0.5%. You probably want to set your own slippage. I have it at 3%. Anywhere between 3 and 5% should be fine for trading most of these meme coins. Basically just allows you to get in and out earlier than others when it comes to trading these meme coins. And then if you go on Sun Pump, that's the platform that Justin Sun and the Tron team launched, which is Tron's version of Pump Fun. You can see all the most recently launched coins. You can see the market cap. Obviously, you probably want to stay away from most of these because most of these will be rugs, but it is a good way to get in super early on certain tokens. I have personally not bought any tokens on Sun Pump myself. I do prefer buying a bit more established tokens that actually actually have liquidity over on SunSwap, and that has a market cap of like at least $100,000. But obviously it can be hard to find some of these tokens early on, so you might ask what the best way is to find tokens and get some alpha. Well, the best way is to either be in alpha groups like Telegram or Discord alpha chats where people actually share tickers. I am sharing all my plays in my Telegram, so if you want to join, it's completely free. It is linked down below in the description. You can also follow me over on Twitter, where I will share a lot of info and interesting tokens as well. And Twitter is obviously the best way to also get alpha if you're not in any really good alpha groups. For example, this morning I found this random account which is called Pi, only 2,400 followers, but he has already made some pretty good calls on some of these Tron meme coins. He, for example, called Soon pretty early, which I jumped in on because of this guy and made a nice 3x already. I will link his account down below, and it's all about just finding the right people to follow and get alpha from. A good way to find random profiles like this is just to search for interesting Tron tickers here on Twitter, and some of these accounts will show up. That's how I found Pi this morning, I believe. For example, if you just search for the Soon ticker, you will obviously find everyone that is tweeting about Soon, and some of these people might share alpha on other interesting tokens as well. Now, the biggest problem I've had with Tron is that it's pretty inconvenient to trade some of these tokens, because obviously if you need to trade it on SunSwap, it can move pretty slowly. Obviously most of us on Ethereum base and Solana are used to having different trading bots that are super quick and easy to trade low cap meme coins with, but none of these platforms have added the Tron network yet. I am pretty confident that platforms like BullX, which is my go-to trading platform, will add Tron pretty shortly. I have seen they have chatted about it in their Discord server, that they are working on adding Trons. So if you're not using BullX yet, I highly recommend it. You can sign up and get 10% less fees with my link down below. So if you get any value from the video, would highly appreciate it if you use that. But if you do want to use a trading bot on Tron, this is basically the only one I have found so far, which is the NFD Tron Trading Bot by the NFDGG team, which is a pretty established team over on Tron. It's basically just like any other Telegram trading bot, like Pepe Boost, like BonkBot, etc. It works very easily. You just sign up and you get a new wallet, you import that, and you can trade directly from your Telegram account. So I will also leave my referral link to this platform down below in the description. So if you enjoyed the video and want to use a Tron trading bot, would highly appreciate it if you used my link down below. But that's basically your entire beginner's tutorial on how to trade meme coins over on the Tron network. So if you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe to the channel. Let me know what Tron meme coins you're bullish on down below. Make sure you join my Telegram and we can create an awesome Tron meme coin community in there as well. We also obviously talk about Solana tokens, Ethereum base, everything in the crypto space that is interesting. If you want a Tron trading bot, make sure to use my link down below. If you want the best trading bot out there, BullX, make sure to also use my link down below. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.